Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Unreal Engine 5.8. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import any of the Character Creator 5, the CC5 3D avatar into Unreal Engine 5 game project. And now you can see once you already imported all of the skeletons, they are strictly follow the Unreal Engine 5 skeletons. It is ready for your game project. It is ready for your 3D animations in Unreal Engine 5 game project. And start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step from the CC5 to Unreal Engine 5.8, all of the detailed steps, how to export, how to set up, how to just make sure all of the material texture is going to bake into just one single material texture in this way. And finally, it is a game ready 3D avatar and import into Unreal Engine 5.8. Let's go! Alright, first I'm going to CC5, the Character Creator 5. I'm going to just open a random 3D avatar, a random actor, for example the Boris.cc avatar. Right now, the CC avatar already loaded in Character Creator 5. Next, we are going to export as FBX. To export as FBX, you need to follow certain configuration. Click File, Export, FBX, click the clove character. Alright, then the target tool preset, you have to choose Unreal Engine 5 Skeleton. And then the mesh and motions, we just choose the mesh only. Then open the setting from here. At here, you need to activate the InstaLOD and then choose merge material. This is to make sure all of the multiple material textures is going to merge into just one single material texture. Alright, next, the bake texture size, you can choose 4096. It depends on how details you want the texture to be. Alright, so as demo, I'm going to just choose 2048. The rest, merge bird and browse into one project. This one you can skip. So now I click export, click OK, and I'm going to just export it on my desktop. I create a new folder on my desktop. Just name this new folder as avatar01. The file name, I'm going to just name this as avatar01. I click save. Here, just wait for a while. It is baking everything, material baking, and also merge all the material texture into just one single material. Now it is exporting. Just wait for a few seconds until you can see the FBX file at here. Right now, the FBX file is already exported at here. I double click and it is going to open with Autodesk FBX Review. Now you can see it is Unreal Engine 5 Skeletons with the Unreal UE5 pose. So now I'm going to open the Unreal Engine 5.8. I'm going to open my Epic Game Launcher. And now I'm going to launch the Unreal Engine 5.8. Alright, now I'm going to just create a fresh new game project. As demo, I'm going to just create a game, a third-person game project. Then I click create. Now the Unreal Engine 5.8 is creating a fresh new game project, a third-person game project. Just wait for a few seconds. It will be ready very soon. Okay, now the Unreal Engine 5 is already created a fresh new game project here. The first step, we need to open the Content Browser. If you cannot see the Content Browser, you need to move your mouse cursor to Window, Content Browser to just click here to call out the Content Browser. And next, we are going to import the FBX file. So under the contents, we may just right click here to create a new folder, name this new folder as avatar01, and then double click to enter the empty folder. Next, from your File Explorer, just drag and drop the avatar01.fbx into the Content Browser. Just drag and drop, import the FBX file. Right now, just click import. It is going to import the CC avatar, the Character Creator 5 avatar, into the avatar01 folder. Now it's almost done. Just wait for a few seconds now. You may see, just check the skeletons and also the skeleton mesh. The skeleton mesh is at here. You can just double click and check. Now you can see everything quite completed. Wow. And we may just click show flag related to the current viewports, the bones, and show all the hierarchy. You can see this is a complete UE5 skeleton that already in this CC avatar. Now everything is ready for your Unreal Engine 5 game project. Alright. In the coming tutorial, I may show you how to just make any of the CC5 avatar to become the player or NPC for your Unreal Engine 5 game project. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the CC5 avatar, Character Creator 5 avatar into Unreal Engine 5.8. And it is ready for your game dev. It is ready for your game project. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!